How to fix incoming call not showing on display in Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing similar issue where your incoming call are not being shown on your display in your Android, so in that case what you need to do is first just head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings of your device, scroll all the way down until you see the apps option. So here you will have to find the phone application, which is this application over here. So make sure you find it from your settings. So let me just quickly find it from over here. So as you can see, I've located my phone application, and first thing what you want to do is just click on this notification and make sure you have enabled all of these notifications, and make sure you have clicked on show content for your lock screen notifications as well. So once you do that, just come over to permission section and allow the phone. The most priority one is phone, notifications, contacts, microphone, your call logs, SMS, everything. So you may as well allow everything over here on your phone section, which is the most important part. So once you do that, the final thing what you can do is just head over to this storage section by scrolling a little bit, and once you're inside here, just click on clear the cache and clear your data and restart your device, and then your phone should be working correctly and it should be displaying all of your incoming call from now on. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.